Asus Zenfone Go. Here we have a camera with flash and volume rockers and speakers. Here we have a power on off button and headset port. Here we have a charging port. I just open this. Here we have front camera with flash. Yeah, I just open the settings. Here we have a notifications. You can operate directly from here. I just open the about phone. Yeah, you may see here the model number and the Android version is 5.1.1. Mobile weight is 125 grams and the PPI pixel density is 218 pixels. It's a 1 GB RAM. It's 4.5 inch display. Resolution is 480 into 854 pixels. Battery backup is 2700 mAh and the primary camera is 8 megapixel and internal memory is 8 GB and we can extendable up to 64 GB. It's a quad core processor 1.2 GHz and the Android version is 5.1 Lollipop. We have a multi-touch option also and we can extendable up to 64 GB with micro SD card by using this. Yeah, again let's talk about secondary camera is 2.8 megapixel or 2 megapixel. We have both option for this mobile and its Android version is 5.1. You can see this is a front camera. Yeah, this is Asus Zenfone Go. It's 4.5 inch display with 480 into 854 resolution. You can see here.
अरे अने చూసుకున్నారా కరవ లేదంటే మొబైల్ ponle su nivel. Rami.